been kind of a long day. I really don't feel like I got much accomplished, but I guess I did. Got both front fenders off of this car. Got the little filler panel that goes between the radiator, the grill and the bumper. Get that off. Cut part of the rocker panel out and the A-pillar, the lower A-pillar. And I got the battery tray on the 75. I cut it out so we could use it on the 74 because someone cut a hole in one of the 74 for a cold air intake right where the battery mounted. They had the battery mounted in the trunk. It's kind of like, I guess, for a drag car or something. I don't know if the customer is going to keep it that way or not, but I'm fixing the hole anyway so it'll look better. Had to pardon my radio going, sorry about that. There's the piece I cut out of the 75. And right there's a piece that was in the 74. You see right there where someone cut a hole in it for a cold air intake. I patched over it, just popped over some metal in there, and they had that packed full of roofing tar or some kind of thing, so or a dum-dum or something. But that's what progress I got done for the day. I'm working on taking the front fenders off this car right now. Hopefully get that done in the next 20-30 minutes.